Once upon a time, Lana was going to school. She forgot that it was winter and town bikes named Bitsko couldn't be borrowed, and because of that she was late. She called her friend Stella and asked for help. Stella happily agreed to help. She took her bike with the intention to come to Lana so she can come to school faster. But there have been long delays because Stella loves to ride a bike, so she got lost in the town of Koprivnica and visited some bike monuments. When Stella was reading a very interesting book on the one of the bike monuments, Lana angrily called her and told that she needs to hurry up because she is already very late. Stella finished the chapter and moved on. Unfortunately, when Lana came to school, it was already time to go home. Lana missed all classes that day and got detention. Stella was happy because she learned a lot about bikes. But what did Stella learn? Stella caught a cold while riding a bike across the town, so I can tell you what she learned. Bikes are the most popular means of transportation in the town and surrounding villages, especially from the spring to the autumn. Some folks don't give up cycling even during the winter. We could claim that Koprivnica is the perfect town to discover by bike. There are lots of different bicycling routes spread across the town, all in almost 50 kilometers. Also, there are almost 80 kilometers across the wheat and corn fields of Podravina. The most popular route is one along the Drava River. You can hop on your bike and drive across the town. If you're a tourist, you can rent a bike and explore the city like locals. Locals are so proud of their bicycling habits that they even built a shiny and modern bike monument on the main Zrinski square. Also, they built an old historical museum bike points across streets and squares of the old town. They even gave a name Bitsko to the public bike that everyone can hire. The public bike is recognizable white with green and blue stripes and signs. A handy rack in front is for your personal things or bag. Bicycling is one of the best sightseeing tours available because it captures the essence of everyday life in Koprivnica. Viewpoints, museums and monuments, rest breaks, coffee shops and restaurants. Cycling is very important for developing tourism in the county. More or less in the same way as cycling was promoted in the town of Koprivnica.